Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to design a custom invoice or quote mockup. Let's look at the Clerk Invoices app. Clerk Quotes app works the same. To customize invoice mockup you need to go to invoice layout. There is invoice mockup and time report mockup here. These mockups define how the invoice and time report will look for the clients. Let's open the mockup builder. Every mockup is built from rows, and every row is built from blocks. There are two types of rows. Standard rows, which shows some standard invoice information like time items, fixed price items, and custom content row, where you can put custom content in the editor. You can rearrange rows by drag and drop, and you can rearrange blocks by drag and drop as well. For blocks and rows you can customize some parameters like alignment, background color, and visibility rule. There are two types of blocks: text blocks, where you put text content which you can format, and image blocks, where you can upload images. In text blocks you can put variables, which will be replaced by real invoice data. You can change the row layout and change the number of columns. Let's customize this invoice mockup and put client notes and payment term in this block. And let's make payment term orange. Let's go at the bottom and let's put the signature and the stamp here in this area. And since the image is too big, let's limit the image size. And now we can save this invoice mockup. And let's look at the invoice that uses this mockup. Let's open this invoice by a secret public link. As you see, now we have real invoice data here in this block, and we have our stamp and signature at the bottom. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions, and try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.